Say goodbye to the hassle of door installation with the busy Bob door hanging tool. This ingenious device ensures precise door alignment and effortless mounting, making it a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its compact design allows for easy portability, while the durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on residential projects or commercial setups, this tool simplifies the entire process. It accommodates various door sizes, ensuring universal compatibility. With Busy Bob, adjust hinges and positions with pinpoint accuracy. Save time and energy without compromising quality. Elevate your craftsmanship with this must-have woodworking companion. The Britton Square 7-inch black Green-Rafter square is a versatile tool every woodworker needs. Its vibrant color enhances visibility, while the robust construction ensures durability. Perfect for measuring, marking, and cutting, it suits projects ranging from framing to furniture making. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to handle. Precise markings guarantee accurate measurements every time. Its compact size allows it to fit snugly in your toolbox. Ideal for both professionals and beginners, this rafter square simplifies complex angles. Make it a part of your toolkit and watch your woodworking precision soar. The Forest Master Universal 7-inch splitting axe base redefines efficiency in wood splitting. Designed for safety and ease, it secures logs firmly, allowing for cleaner and quicker cuts. The durable steel construction withstands the toughest tasks, while its universal compatibility makes it a versatile addition to any workshop. Its compact design ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary space. Whether you're splitting logs for firewood or woodworking projects, this base delivers unmatched stability. Reduce strain and maximize productivity with its thoughtful engineering. A must-have for anyone working with timber, it's the ultimate splitting companion. Tackle heavy-duty wood surface preparation with the EIBENSTOCK EPF 200. 3. This powerful machine smooths, grinds, and removes layers effortlessly, leaving surfaces immaculate. Its high-torque motor ensures consistent performance, even on demanding tasks. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue during prolonged use. With adjustable settings, it accommodates various materials and finishes, making it highly versatile. Safety features like dust extraction compatibility keep your workspace clean and hazard-free. Built for professionals, this tool guarantees precision and efficiency. Elevate your woodworking projects with a machine designed to deliver impeccable results every time. Transform your wood cleaning and restoration tasks with the Wagner Levaro Powerbrush. This innovative tool removes dirt, old finishes, and stains with ease, giving your wood a fresh, polished look. The powerful motor ensures consistent performance, while interchangeable brushes provide versatility for different wood types and finishes. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the ergonomic grip enhances user comfort. Perfect for furniture restoration, deck cleaning, and more, this tool saves time and effort. Experience professional quality results with the Wagner Levaro Powerbrush, a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts. Keep your drill bits in peak condition with the ToolShed Drill Bit Sharpener. This compact and efficient device restores dull bits to their original sharpness, enhancing drilling precision and extending tool life. The easy-to-use design accommodates various bit sizes, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. Its durable build ensures reliable performance over time. Save money by rejuvenating old bits instead of replacing them. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and more, this sharpener guarantees perfect results every time. Elevate your craftsmanship with this indispensable tool in your arsenal. Say goodbye to tedious paint removal with the ToolShed electric paint stripper. Designed for efficiency, it quickly removes paint, varnish, and finishes from wood surfaces without damaging the material. The adjustable heat settings provide versatility for different tasks, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. Lightweight yet powerful, this tool makes even large projects manageable. Perfect for furniture restoration, wall preparation, and more, it delivers professional quality results. A clean, smooth finish is just a step away with the ToolShed electric paint stripper in your hands. Revolutionize your workspace with the Klein Tools MODbox utility cart. This mobile solution offers ample storage and organization for your tools, ensuring everything you need is within reach. Built with heavy-duty materials, it can handle substantial loads while maintaining mobility. The ergonomic handle and smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless, even on uneven surfaces. Customizable compartments provide flexibility for different tool sizes. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, or home projects, this cart enhances productivity and convenience. Simplify your workflow with this indispensable utility cart from Klein Tools. Illuminate your workspace like never before with the Klein Tools MODbox area light. This rechargeable work light delivers powerful, evenly distributed illumination for any project. Its compact design integrates seamlessly with the MODbox system, enhancing portability and organization. Adjustable brightness levels cater to various tasks, while the durable construction ensures reliability in demanding environments. With long battery life and quick charging capabilities, it's a perfect companion for late-night woodworking sessions or dimly lit workshops. Brighten your projects and boost your efficiency with this versatile area light. Achieve perfect cuts every time with the Roberts Precision Cuts Pro Multi-Floor Cutters. Designed for precision, it handles various materials, including wood, vinyl, and laminate, with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation, while the sturdy base provides stability. Its compact design makes it portable and easy to store. Adjustable cutting angles offer versatility for different projects. Built for durability, it withstands heavy use without compromising performance. Elevate your flooring projects with this reliable and efficient cutting tool, ensuring flawless results every time. Simplify cable management with the CableMat Tromboy 1400 Cable Unwinder. This tool is a lifesaver for organizing and unwinding cables efficiently, preventing tangles and damage. Its sturdy design ensures stability, even with heavy-duty cables. Adjustable settings accommodate various cable sizes, making it versatile for different tasks. The compact structure allows for easy storage and portability. Whether for woodworking projects or electrical installations, it streamlines your workflow. Durable and reliable, the Tromboy 1400 is an essential tool for professionals seeking precision and efficiency in cable handling. The LiftPlack magnetic plate lifter makes lifting heavy metallic plates a breeze. Its powerful magnetic grip securely holds plates, ensuring safety and efficiency during lifting operations. The ergonomic handle reduces strain, while the lightweight design enhances portability. Ideal for workshops, construction sites, and industrial use, this tool minimizes the risk of accidents. Its durable build guarantees long-lasting performance, even under rigorous conditions. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or other materials, this lifter simplifies handling and boosts productivity. Make heavy lifting safer and easier with LiftPlack. The Makita Cordless Earth Auger DG001G is a powerhouse for drilling holes in the ground with precision and ease. Its cordless design provides unmatched portability, allowing you to work anywhere without restrictions. The high-torque motor ensures efficient drilling, even in tough soil conditions. With adjustable speed settings, it caters to various tasks, from fence installations to planting trees. The ergonomic design minimizes user fatigue, while the durable construction ensures longevity. Ideal for outdoor woodworking projects, this auger simplifies ground preparation. Experience the freedom of cordless drilling with Makita's innovative tool. Strip wires with precision and ease using the Groward wire stripper. This compact tool offers adjustable settings for various wire sizes, ensuring clean cuts every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Made with durable materials, it withstands heavy-duty tasks while maintaining reliable performance. Its lightweight design enhances portability, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. Ideal for woodworking and electrical work, this wire stripper simplifies complex tasks. Add it to your toolkit and enjoy hassle-free wire handling. Handle fiber optic cables with care and precision using the Tempo Paladin Tools Fiber Optic Stripper. Designed specifically for delicate tasks, It ensures clean, accurate stripping without damaging the fibers. The ergonomic design enhances user comfort, while the durable construction guarantees longevity. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, fitting perfectly in your pocket or toolkit. Adjustable settings cater to various fiber sizes, adding versatility to its features. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, this tool simplifies intricate tasks. Make fiber optic work a breeze with this reliable stripper. Boost your productivity with the Wagner Climbing NSRS 72MP multi-purpose scaffold. Designed for stability and safety, it provides a reliable platform for elevated woodworking tasks. The adjustable height settings accommodate various project needs, while the sturdy construction supports heavy loads. Smooth rolling wheels allow for easy mobility, making it ideal for dynamic work environments. Its compact design ensures easy storage when not in use. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, and DIY projects, this scaffold enhances efficiency and safety. Reach new heights in your craftsmanship with Wagner's trusted solution. Keep your workspace clean and efficient with the FlexShaft K9 12 drain cleaning machine. Designed for tough clogs, it clears drains with precision and speed. The flexible shaft navigates tight spaces effortlessly, ensuring thorough cleaning. Its compact design makes it portable and easy to store. Built with durable materials, it withstands heavy use without compromising performance. Ideal for workshops, construction sites, and home use, it simplifies maintenance tasks. Elevate your workflow with this powerful and reliable cleaning machine, ensuring a spotless workspace. Cut through wood like butter with the Makita 415mm cordless circular saw HS013G. Its cordless design offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to work anywhere. The powerful motor ensures smooth, precise cuts, even on tough materials. Adjustable cutting angles provide versatility for various projects. Lightweight yet robust, it's easy to handle and built to last. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue, making prolonged use comfortable. Perfect for framing, cabinetry, and more, this saw guarantees professional results. Experience the power of Makita's innovation in every cut. Simplify drilling tasks with the DH Drillies, designed for accuracy and efficiency. This compact tool stabilizes your drill, ensuring clean and precise holes every time. Its adjustable settings cater to various drill sizes and materials, adding versatility to your toolkit. The lightweight design enhances portability, making it perfect for on-site projects. Built with durable materials, it withstands rigorous use without compromising performance. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and more, it transforms complex tasks into effortless operations. Elevate your drilling experience with the reliable DH Drillies. Detect hidden leaks with precision using the Amprobe ULD 405. This ultrasonic leak detector identifies air, gas, and vacuum leaks quickly, ensuring efficient repairs. The compact design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver. Its advanced sensors provide accurate readings, even in noisy environments. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, and industrial use, it enhances maintenance efficiency. With adjustable sensitivity levels, it adapts to various tasks, adding versatility to its features. Save time and resources with this indispensable tool, keeping your workspace in top condition. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.